my Vedic Max book, first trick in Max or a Vedic Max. So today our topic is that how to solve a lengthy addition. Okay, what is a lengthy addition? Lengthy addition means that a long sum digit, for example 75 lakh 65,098 plus 17 lakh 86,097, like this type of sum is called a lengthy addition. In short means the long sum that we can solve in a short period of time is called a lengthy addition. Okay, so this is very important topic in our today's lecture. If you can't understand this type of method, means you can't understand our next live lecture. Okay, in this lecture you have to try or learn how to solve a big digit sum like this. Okay, so this kind of sums you can solve in a few seconds, 5 to 10 seconds. Okay, this kind of sums you want to solve, okay, you want to learn in this video. Okay, and if you can't know the meaning of a and numbers, how to solve and numbers, what is double plus double digit sums, what is double plus single digit sums, and what is triple plus triple digit sums, okay, then you check our channel. So first, now you focus to this method to learn this kind of sums. Okay, to learn these sums, first we have to revise our last topic or our last live lecture. Topic is triple plus triple digit sum. So here one example is given, 695 plus 872. Okay, 695 plus 872. So first you want to see the 100 place. Okay, 100 place. So here is given 6 and 8. You want to add 6 and 8, the answers come 14. But you have to write 15. Why 15? Now what? You want to see the 10th place number, 9 and 7. What is the end number of 9 and 7? 16. So the end number of 9 and 7 is 6, not 16. So you have to keep in mind the end number of 9 and 7 is 6. Okay, so plus 1 here means 14 plus 1. Okay, so our answer is 15. So our first two digit of our answer is 1 and 5. Okay, now you want to see the 10th place, 9 and 7. The end number of 9 and 7, 6. Okay, now you want to see the end numbers, 5 and 2. 5 and 2 is a non-carry number, so we have to can't change in the 10th place. So our third digit of our answer is 6. Now the end number of 5 and 2 answers is 7. So our final answer is 1, 5, 6, 7. This method is called a triple plus triple digit sums. Okay, so our final answer is 1, 5, 6, 7. So let's start or let's move to our today's topic is a lengthy addition. So stay here to understand this concept. Lengthy addition. For a better understanding, here we have to take a one example. Okay, 75,698 plus 17,867. How you can solve this kind of sums in a 10 seconds or 10 to 5 seconds. So here you want to see first these two digit. Okay, from left to right. In our regular max we start solving from right to left, but in a Vedic max you have to solve left to right. Okay, so first you want to see this number 7 plus 1, the answer comes 8. Okay, first digit is 8. Now you want to see is next place. The next place is 7 and 5. Okay, so what is the end number of 7 and 5? 12. But here you want to write 2, not 12. So do plus 1 in 8. The answer comes 9. Means our first digit of this answer is 9. Okay, now end number of 5 and 7, 2. So here you want to write 2. Now you want to see the his next place, means 6 and 8. Okay, what is the end number of 6 and 8? 14. But here you want to write 4 and do plus 1 in 2. The answer comes 3. Means our second digit is 3. First 9, second 3. Okay, Now you want to see his next place now. Okay, 9 and 6. What is the AND number of 9 and 6? 15. So do carry 1 in 4. Why 4? Because the AND number of 6 and 8 is 14. You want to write here 4. Now you want to see the next place, 9 plus 6. AND number of 9 plus 6 is 15. So do plus 1 in 4. Answer comes 5. Means your next digit is 5. Okay. Now you want to see the last AND number, 8 and 7. What is the AND number of 8 and 7? 15. Okay. So here you want to write 5, not 15. Now add plus 1 in 5. Okay. Why 5? Because our last digit is 5. So do plus 1 in 5. The answer comes 6. Means we find our one more digit, 6. Okay. One more digit, 6. Now the AND number of 8 and 7 simply 5. So here you want to write 5. Okay. Means here you receive a 5 digit, 9, 3, 5, 6, 5. This is your answer. Check your answer. The sum of this, the answers comes 93,565. Okay. If you understand this method, then this method is so easy in this concept. Okay. Now for a better explanation, take one more example. Then that example is 6,37,418 plus 2,46,839. So here we have to write in a addition form. So first you want to see this number. Okay, 6 and 2. The AND number of 6 and 2, we can add 6 and 2. The answer comes 8. Now you want to see his next place, 3 and 4. 3 and 4 is not a carry number. So here simply you find a one digit, 6 plus 8, 6 plus 2, answer comes 8. So the first digit of the answer is 8. Now 3 plus 4, answer comes 7. Now you want to see his next place, 7 and 6. What is the AND number of 7 and 6? 3. So plus 1 in 7 means 7 plus 1. Answer comes 8. Okay. Why here 7? Because 4 plus 3, answers comes 7. And his next place, 7 plus 6, the AND number is 13. So do plus 1 in 7 and you have to write 3. Okay. Now 3. Means you find a second digit of our answer is 8. Okay. Now you want to see his next place, 4 and 8. The AND number of 4 and 8 is 12. But here you want to write 2 only. Now do plus 1 in 3. Okay. Why 3? Means why 3? 7 and 8, 7 and 6 and number is 13. So here we have to add 1 here, answers come 8. Now 3 you want to add plus 1, the answers comes 4. Means you find one more digit of our answer is 4. Okay. Now you want to see his next number, 1 and 3. 1 and 3 is the not AND numbers. Okay. Means the AND number is here but non-carry numbers. So you find one more number, 2, as it is. Okay. 2. You find here one more digit and the digit is 2. Okay. Now simply the AND number 8 and 9. What is the AND number of 8 and 9? 17. So here you want to write 7 and do plus 1 in 4. Why 4? 3 plus 1, 4. Means 4 plus 1, answers comes 5. Now you find your last both digit. Okay. 5 and 7. Means your current answer is 8, 8, 4, 2, 5, 7. Okay. This is your current answer of this question. If you understand this method, then you solve or then you understand this method very easily. Okay. It is very easy method than real maths or regular maths. So let's do a long try to solve first. Now our big digit is here that I told in the introduction. In here we have to solve these sums, okay? Means big sums in a 10 seconds. If you understand this method, then you solve in 10 seconds this type of sum. So first we have to write in this form, okay? So now this is very long method, then see here properly, otherwise you can't understand this method, okay? First you want to add 9 and 3. The answers comes 13. Not, the answers comes 12. Okay, 9 plus 3, the answers comes 12. Now you want to see the is next place 7 and 8. The end number of 7 and 8 is 15. So here you want to write 5 and do plus 1 here. Now you receive here first number 13, okay? Then you want to see his next place 5 and 9, okay? 5 and 9. What is the end number of 5 and 9? 14, okay? So do plus 1 in 5. 5 plus 1, 6. Means here you find one more digit, 6. Okay? End number of 5 and 9. The answers come 14, means the 4, not 14. Why not 14? Because we add plus 1 in 5. Now only 4 remains. Now see the next 8 and 7. What is the end number of 8 and 7? Okay? The end number of 8 and 7 is 15. But here you want to write 5 only. Okay? 5. And do plus 1 in 4. The answers comes 5. Means you find one more digit here. 5. Now see the next place 6 and 5. What is the end number of 6 and 5? End number of 6 and 5 is 11. Okay, so 11's 1 and plus 1 here, means the answers come 6. Means you find one more digit here, 6. Okay, this is very easy method. If you understand this method, then you solve the sum faster. So we can do our next, means regular question start. Here next you want to see the next number, okay? The next number is 7 and 8. Now you want to see 7 and 8. What is the end number of 7 and 8? The end number of 7 and 8 is 5. Okay, 5. Now you want to see his next place 4 and 2. 4 and 2 is a non-carrying number, so write as it is 5 here. Now 4 plus 2, answers come 6. Okay, answers comes 6. So now you want to see the end number, means next number 8 and 9. What is the end number of 8 and 9? The end number of 8 and 9 is 7. Okay, the end number of 8 and 9 is 7. So 7. Now you want to see the next place 7 and plus 7 and 1. 7 and 1 is a non-carrying numbers. Then you have to write as it is 7 here. Now 7 plus 1, the answers comes 8. Now you want to see his next place 6 and 6. The answers comes 2. Okay, the end number of 6 and 6, 2. So 2 plus 1, 8 plus 1, and write here 2. Okay, 8 plus 1, the answers comes 9. So you receive here two numbers. Here 6 plus 1, answers come 7, and one digit here 9. Okay, now you want to see the next place 6 and 6. The answers comes 2. That here we have to write here. Now you want to see his next place 9 and 8. 9 and 8. What is the end number of 9 and 8? Is 7. Okay, so here we write 7. Now you want to see this next place 8 and 4. 8 and 4 is a carrying number, so do plus 1 in 7. The answers comes 8. So here you have to write 3. Here you want to do plus 1. 2 plus 1. Here we have to write 3. And 7 plus 1. Answers comes 8. Okay. Now you want to see is next place 8 and 4. What is the n number of 8 and 4, 13. Okay, 13. So why 13? Because we have to see his next place. 7 and 3 is the n number, so do plus 1. 12 plus 1, 13. So here we have to write only 3, not 13. Now 13. So here we have to see his next place. 7 and 3. Okay, 7 and 3. The n number of 7 and 3 is 10. So here you have to write 0. Okay, means here you have to write 2, 1. Then simply in the last place, why is here 7 and 3, n number of 7 and 3 is 10, but in next place the n number is there, so do plus 1 means 11. Now you want to see the n number of 6 and 8. Okay, the n number of 6 and 8 is 14, but here you have to write 4, means your final answer is 1, 3, 6, 5, 6, 2, 5, 7, 7, 9, 3, 8, 3, 1, 1, 4. You can check your answer. The answers comes this 199%. Okay, this answer is right. Okay, you can check your answer by calculating your normal max. Okay, the answers comes 199% this only. So what do you learn in this lecture? You learn from this today live lecture is that how to solve a big digit sums. For example, 59687468 plus 86759896. This type of sums by using Vedic Max, we can solve in 5 to 10 seconds. Now what you want to learn in our next live lecture? You want to learn in our next live lecture that how to add addition of list. Okay, for introduction of addition of list, now you want to solve this type of sum, addition of list. Then you want to be a master of all additions like double plus double digit through the lengthy addition. Okay, then only you understand the addition of list. My Vedic Max book. So hello friends, and I hope you learned some new methods by seeing this video, and then subscribe to our channel My Vedic Max book, and you learn some new tricks to solve the Vedic Max sums easily. Then press the like button and do prepare of all these lessons explained in a previous video or a now topic. Okay, how to solve addition of list. We have to prepare all sums today, then only you understand how to solve addition of list. Then I recommended you, if you forget to subscribe our channel, subscribe to our channel Vedic Max books for our latest updates. So